Alcohol is not a cause of acid reflux. It is absolutely a trigger if you have a yeast-based acid reflux, but it is not the root cause. Because removing alcohol doesn't fix your problem. If you then go and drink alcohol again, you get the same issue, right? You didn't fix the underlying problem, but you have a yeast overgrowth inside your stomach, inside your esophagus, or inside your mouth, causing your acid reflux. If it's you, you would use the herbs inside the yeast purge, which is something I designed specifically to kill an overgrowth of yeast that's causing people's acid reflux. And you know you have a yeast-based acid reflux if alcohol is your trigger.